Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful guitar that you simply just cannot put out of your hands again once you grabbed it. It's the Atkin 36, an double O shaped sunbursty guitar. Very much inspired by the Gibson L00, 35 Sitka spruce top, mahogany back and sides, rosewood fretboard and bridge, walnut headstock overlay with beautiful yellowish logo inlaid, and yeah, it sounds absolutely fabulous. It's sort of a more bluesier guitar traditionally said, but it can do everything really. It has a huge sound. I think it's most suited to fingerstyle. I'm not the biggest fingerstyle player, but I give it a try. It's strung with relatively new Diodario XS phosphor bronze lights, and it sounds like this. It's very balanced and very intimate sounding. It has a immediate response, quite nice bass, and beautiful trebles as well. It's beautiful. Atkin really has figured out the recipe to recreating beautiful vintagey guitars. I like the blue chip TD35, especially on bigger guitars, but it's also yeah, a great tool showing that this 36 can be strung as well. It's quite loud. Yeah, it's fabulous. Let's capo it on the, say, 4th fret. If you want to get a bit more sparkle out of it, then I would recommend a slightly thinner pick. I take the prime tone 0.73 mils this time. and you can get some really vintagey sounds out of it when using a rounded pick. I use the sculpted plectra by Dunlop Primetone 1.3 mils. It's really thick and rounded, so you can get some really nice vintagey sounds out of it. There you have it, the 36 by Atkin Guitars. See you next time, bye bye.